You've probably seen QENREI.com popping up in ads offering tech and travel gadgets like wireless earbuds, power banks, chargers, and travel adapters. But before you rush to click buy, it's worth taking a closer look to see whether this store is actually trustworthy or just another flashy website trying to get your money. QENREI.com is very new, with its domain registered in April 2025, which means it has no track record, no history, and no real reputation to speak of, immediately raising questions about reliability. When examining the product listings, many of the images appear to be copied from other established websites, making it unclear whether the store actually stocks these items or if they're just using stock photos to attract buyers. The business details provided on the site are also suspicious, listing an address that seems to be borrowed from elsewhere rather than representing a real physical office or warehouse, which makes it hard to verify legitimacy. Another concerning point is the complete absence of any social media presence. There are no Instagram pages, Facebook accounts, or Twitter profiles to check for engagement or customer feedback, which is unusual for a store selling consumer electronics and travel accessories in 2025. On top of that, there are 0 reviews anywhere online, no Trustpilot ratings, no forum mentions, and nothing from past buyers, which makes it impossible to know whether previous customers have had a positive, negative, or even real experience with QENREI.com. All of this doesn't automatically label the site as a scam, but it certainly means caution is necessary. The combination of a brand new domain, copied images, unverified business information, missing social presence, and complete lack of reviews suggests that anyone thinking about buying from QENREI.com should carefully weigh the risks. Research thoroughly and avoid being influenced by flashy marketing claims or promises that sound too good to be true.